Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today I'm going to show you how to plot mathematical functions using GGPlot. And for this purpose I have data stored in my data frame that I'm going to provide to GGPlot function. And now in order to use mathematical functions you are going to provide a GEOM function. And now I'm going to provide aesthetics of X, or better Y for this case, and with fun I'm going to provide my function. So I'm going to do it in this way: function for Y, and now we are going to write code that we want to use for plotting. So I want tan of Y times sine of Y. If I run this code, and of course in here we can provide options for styling. Let's say color red, let's say line type 2 for dashed, okay, and let's say line width 0,75. Run it. And now I'm going to add one more function based on this. So I'm going to copy it. And let's tweak our settings a little bit. So instead of sine Y, I'm going to ask for sine of minus Y. 0.75 is going to be 0.4. Line type, let's go with 3. And let's use color green. Run it. We actually don't see green well. I'm going to use some custom color. Let's say 55, a 55. Run it. This should be dark green or even darker. Okay, this is better. So guys, let's summarize this. First you have to provide aesthetics of value you want to plot. Then you're going to provide that value to your function, and in here, as part of the same argument, you are going to write code for that function. And later on you could deal with stylings. So this is all for this episode. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!